Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Civic dashboard lights. We'll start with the basics. First, locate your fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard, and inspect each fuse for breaks. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Next, verify your battery's charge and clean any corrosion from its terminals. Finally, test your alternator. A failing one can cause various electrical issues, including dashboard light malfunctions. These initial checks are crucial first steps. Many dashboard light issues stem from simple problems. Sometimes, a bulb's connection might be loose, or the bulb itself could be burned out. Replacing a faulty bulb is often a quick and inexpensive fix. For specific warning lights like the check engine or ABS light, the issue often points to a particular sensor. For example, an oxygen sensor or wheel speed sensor could be malfunctioning, requiring replacement or cleaning. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. An OBD2 scanner can read diagnostic trouble codes, providing precise information about the problem. These codes are invaluable for pinpointing sensor failures or electrical faults. Also, meticulously examine your Civic's wiring harnesses for any cuts, pinches, or corrosion. If you're still stumped after these steps, consulting a certified mechanic is a wise decision for expert diagnosis. Preventing dashboard light issues is always better than fixing them. Regularly check your car's electrical system and dashboard lights for any anomalies. Keep your battery well maintained, ensuring it's fully charged and its terminals are clean and secure. Also, be cautious with aftermarket electrical parts. Using original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, components often prevents compatibility and reliability problems. Proactive maintenance can save you time and money in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.